So hi guys, good evening. Welcome to our channel V2V Vision to Victory. And for more updates, you can follow our channel in Telegram, Facebook, Instagram. All the PDFs. If you want the PDFs, you just follow me in the Telegram, guys. All the PDFs are available in the Telegram. And if you want all the social networks, you just follow me and the links are available in the description. Okay, please confirm, is my audio and video both clear, guys? Everyone just copy the link and share to your friends. Just inform to your friends the live is started, guys. Here we have a class 7 related for WIPRO. So WIPRO series is. Yes, guys, we will start out. Question number one. See, here we have a 5 questions which is related for coding and decoding. See, please ignore the question number. Just go through that information, guys. See, we have a coding. See, sugar, salt, sweetie, and chili. We have a different words in a different statement. Compare each and every statement. Based on that comparison, you can get the code. Based on that code, you can choose your all the questions. Just ignore the question marks. So if you compare all the statements, you can get easily 5 marks, guys. No, see, guys, see. If you compare that, say, sugar, salt, sweetie, chili, and tasty sugar, salt, and dish, we have a 2 parameters are common, guys. Here, sugar, salt, okay. Now, if you compare with the other one, see, sugar, dish keeps healthy. See, here we have a sweet, here we have a sweet. If you compare first statement and third statement, sweet is the common parameter. And dish keep healthy is not common, guys. Now, you can directly get the sweet code. Now, see the sweet code. See, just compare both these terms. See, GUST, SELY, SE is the common. SE is the common means definitely sweet can be represented for code as a SE. Just eliminate it. Sweet can be coded as SE. Go through the next one. See, if you go through that, see, first and last, see, if you go through the first, third, and last, healthy is the common one. See, healthy is the common. See, healthy is the common. Just identify that what is the code is common now. See, IHPSEI. So EI is the common. Now you can code it healthy as EI. So that is the common part. Next one, see. Food taste chili. See again, see here taste is common. Here we have a tasty and here we have a tasty, guys. Then what is the common? GUEASTIH. And if you go through that, EA is the common. So if you go through the third parameter, tasty can be coded as EA. Tasty can be coded as EA. Now go through the one more comparison. See here, dish and keeps food and chili, salt and dish, sugar, salt and dish. Just eliminated sugar and salt. Sugar and salt means definitely see we can get the dish code, guys. We can code the dish code. Now see what is the comparison? GUST is common. Definitely IH is represented for dish. IH is represented for dish. Now definitely you can go with a code for keep. Keep is represented for PS. Keep is represented for PS, guys. Now you can get that keep. And if you go through that food and chili, if you go through that sugar and salt and chili, you have a common for chili first and last, guys. GUST LY is common. See, chili can be coded as LY. Chili can be coded as LY. Now sugar and salt we can't confirm with a single code either GU or ST. And food can be represented for off. Food can be coded as off. And finally we left with the sugar, salt. Sugar and salt can be represented for GU or ST. Out of these two, we can't confirm a particular one, guys. Clear? So this is the overall comparison. Now just go through the question. See, what is the code for taste as per the given code language? If you see the entire comparison, so EA is the code language, guys. See, what does that IH stand for? IH stand for dish. So IH stand for dish. You can choose as option none of these, guys. Next one. What was the code for healthy food? See, here healthy food means healthy can be represented for EA and food can be represented for off. So answer EA and off. EA and off. 4 is the correct answer, guys. What was the code for chili? As per the code language, see, chili can be coded as LY. So chili can be coded as LY. If sugar is healthy, GUILEA, then you can compare the last parameter and last question, guys. Now, GU and SC, here GUILEA. Now you can confirm sugar can be coded as GU, guys. Sugar can be coded as GU. Is healthy. Healthy can be represented for EI and IL can be represented for Ease. Now, how can be coded as keep salt? So, salt you can confirm ST and keeps can be PS, guys. PS and ST. So, answer you can choose as second option, guys. If you're good at a concept, Shivendra, you can easily attempt all the questions. There is a no problem. There is a no difficulty. You must good at all the concept, then you can easily solve all the quantitative and reasoning part. First of all, you must aware the concept and how we are solving the questions. Those two are important parameters. So this is the question. You can get 5 marks, guys, based on the overall comparison. Go through the next one. Now see, there is a question related for ages. So definitely you can expect a question in ages, guys. If you see the last placement examination, definitely you can get 1 to 2 questions from ages concept. You need to understand the concept. That is the only important parameter. Now see that. See, there is a person Raki. Raki got engaged 10 years ago. The person was engaged 10 years ago. So this is engaged. That is the first information. And Raki's present age is 5 by third of her age at the time of engagement. I clearly mentioned that many times, guys. The denominator always represented the next statement. Now see, at the time of engagement, the age of the Raki person is 3x. Then the present age is 5x. Simple term, guys. You need to understand the point. Now see, the Raki's present age is 5 by third of age at the time of engagement. Now see, at the time of engagement, the age is 3x. Now the present age is 5x. Now see, we already know that the gap of engagement and present age is exactly 10 years. Now the difference between the age is exactly equal to 2x. Now 2x is equal to 10. You can get x is equal to 5 years. So x is equal to 5 years. Now at the time of engagement, the person age is exactly 15 years. So the present age of that person exactly equal to 25 years. Now what is the next comparison? Now Raki's mother age is twice that the present age of Raki. Then Raki's present age is 25. The Raki's mother is exactly equal to twice. The value becomes 10. Then here the question. What was the mother's age when the time of their engagement? So we already know that the engagement is happened 10 years ago. The present age of the mother is 50. At the time of the engagement, the age of that person is 48 years. 40 years is the correct answer, guys. Next one. Now see, in a certain code language, bad is represented 7. Bad is represented for 7. SAP is represented for 9. Then how we can represent it for ban? So ban can be coded in that code language. What is the answer? Now see, guys, see. Here bad, B is the alphabetical one. Sorry, it's a 2, A, 1, D, 4. Sum of all these parameters is 7. But if you go through that SAP, S value become 19, A value become 1, P value become 16. But they represented in terms of units places. Now we have a unitary method. Unitary method means simply take it as 1 plus 9. 1 plus 9, the value become 10. Still we want in terms of unitary means again 1 plus 0, the resultant become 1. You can take it as S coded as a 1. Now A can be as a unitary digit, that is a 1, and P can be represented 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. Sum of all these digits, the resultant become. In the same way, B can be represented 2, A can be represented 1, N can be represented 14. Here you can take it as the value become 5. Right? We want in terms of a single digit. Now sum of all these parameters, answer become 8 is the perfect answer. Very good, Nana. Supriya, Vaibhav, Aika. Very good. Next one. Next one, see. See, first see the numbers. Here the number is represented for 20 cube, guys. I can recognize 8,000. If it is 8,000, if you see the number in my mind, definitely I can say that that is 20 cube. And definitely here 36 is represented for 6 square. So that is the first representation, visual representation. But here the symbol, see, star and percentage. See, first of all, what is the mathematical operation behind that this symbol? Now see, here star can be represented for multiplication and percentage can be represented for power. Now simple see guys. So 4 5s are 20 whole cube. The resultant become 8,000. Now you can get the 8,000. Same thing. So 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6 whole square. The value become 36. Now what is the final answer? So 4 3s are 12 and a whole cube. 12 cube value becomes 1728. 1728 is the perfect resultant. Very good. Excellent. So in the following question, select the number which can be replaced as the sign of the question mark and find the given alternatives. What is the answer we can get? Now see, we have a 31 here, but see guys, 2 3 is a 6, 6 1 is a 6, 6 5 is a 30, 30 plus 1 is equal to 31 guys. Multiply all the boxes. Multiply all the boxes, you can get the resultant 30, 30 plus 1 is equal to 31. Same you just try for this one. So 3 2 is a 6, 6 6 is a 36, 36 4 is a guys. See, 36 4s are 144 again plus 1. The resultant become 145. So it satisfies all the conditions. Then what is the final answer? See, 2 into 1 into 7 into 5. So 2 1s are 2, 7 5s are 35. So 35 2s are 70. Again, we need to add 1 according to the procedure. We just add 1 for the entire resultant. The answer becomes 71 is the perfect resultant. Multiply all the boxes, then you can concentrate it on the center number. We just add plus 1, the resultant becomes 71. Yes, that's it, guys. Very good. Next syllogism. Next one, see. So here the statement represented, see. Some pen are pencils, some pencils are erasers. So this is the diagram. First, see, we want some pens are erasers. See, here pen, here eraser, there is a no direct contact, eliminated. That is completely wrong conclusion. Next, if the statements are positive, we never get any negative conclusion, directly eliminated. Now, some erasers are pencils. So, some erasers are pencils are absolutely connected in the diagram, guys. So, it absolutely follows. But most of the students directly they choose only conclusion 3 is follows. But we need to check it out the important parameter that is represented for complementary pair. See, what I mentioned in the complementary pair means see if the any two objects are similar in any two conclusions. Like see, here pen, here eraser, here pen, here eraser. The objects are similar, Nana. Objects are similar and individually each conclusion is wrong. Individually each conclusion is wrong. Clear? Now, individually each conclusion is wrong. So to satisfy the complementary pair, what are the complementary pairs we have? See, sum comma sum not is one complementary pair. All comma sum not is another complementary pair. No comma sum is another complementary pair. These are the complementary pair. If you satisfy any of the complementary pair, definitely you can choose your option is either or. See, here definitely we can represent it the perfect answer. 3 follows either 1 or 2. This is the perfect representation, guys. Now, oh, sorry. All pencils are erasers. Okay. All pencils are erasers. Now, definitely we can say that this is the wrong. Okay, sorry, guys. So, definitely 1 and 3 follows, guys. 1 and 3 follows. So, there is no chance of complementary pair. Yes. Thank you, Rana. Thank you. Very good. Thank you. So, in that case, definitely some pens are erasers are absolutely true, guys. If you have a all correction, definitely we have a some connectivity. So, no need to go with any complementary pair. Why? Because if one of the statement is true, There is no chance of any complementary pair. Why? Because it is perfectly follows. Next one. Now, in the given figure, there is a figure they given. Here, triangle is represented flag, rectangle represented pen, and one more triangle represented. Now, according to the question, see, in the given figure, how many pens are blue? How many pens are represented blue? So, pen means, see, this is the entire representation of pen. Then, how many pens which are blue? How many pens which are blue? Now, see, guys, which are blue, he mentioned that not only blue. So, which are blue means definitely you can consider 4 and 18. Only how many pens are blue means you can took it as option 19. But how many pens which are blue means definitely you can including 4 also, guys. 4 also means then answer become 23, not 19, guys. The statement not mentioned with a specific term like a only. They are not mentioned, guys. What they mention, how many pens are blue means definitely these pens also represented blue. And 19 also represented blue. And 4 is represented black. They are not mentioned only case. They are not mentioned only. If their mention is only case, then you can choose your option 19, Nana. You can choose your option 19. Otherwise, you can choose your option 23. So option 23 is the correct answer. Don't choose as 19, Nana. Check it out. It's not a 19. It's a 23. Next one. It's very good, Nana Zabin. Next one, see. Here, deer can be coded as 1, 2, 3, 4. Head, H-E-A-D, can be coded as 2, 3, 4, 5. Tear, T-E-A-R, can be coded as 1, 3, 4, 6. Here, help can be coded as 4, 7, 5, 8. Then how we can represent it for there? How we can represent it for there? Now, same as the first question, just compare, guys. See, if you compare dear, D-E-A-R, H-E-A-D, what is the common? E-A common, guys. If you compare again, see, if you compare EAR, if you compare first and third, EAR common, EAR common. EAR common means definitely what is the common number? 1, 3, 4, guys. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. Definitely you can confirm T is equal to 6. Now you can confirm T is equal to 6. Now you can confirm T is equal to 6. Just eliminated T is equal to 6. Now again see HELP. Again see guys. It's very good, Nana. T is equal to 6. According to the question, we required the T value become 6. See, if you see the option, we have only one option. Directly you can choose your option D, guys. So we have only one option represented for T. Just compare one statement to the other statement. Based on that statement, identify the code for each and every letter. Based on that letter, you can code your answer. So answer 6 is the perfect answer, guys. Next one. Based on the option, you can choose your answer. That is better to you. Don't go with the entire comparison. We want a mock. Soumya is standing is facing north. Standing facing north. So initially Soumya was facing north. And she walks 10 kilometers straight. So 10 kilometers straight. And turns left and walks another 10 kilometers. And turns right. And turns right and walk 5 kilometers. And finally turns left and walks 15 kilometers to reach park. To reach park. Now which direction she was facing? So directly answer, direct answer guys, answer. West is the correct answer. So directly the person was facing west direction. Just draw the diagram based on the answer. Directly you can get the answer becomes a yes. Next one. Him, don't worry, I will tell you at the at last. Him, don't worry, no, I will explain again. Don't worry. Next one, see. Directly see 279. If you multiply 7, 2 7s are 14, 14 9s are 126. 7 3s are 21, 21 8s are 168. The final answer 9 into 4 into x represented for 216, guys. See, 4 5s are 4 4s are. Now 9 become 6 times. Now you can get x value become 6. The value of x value become 6. Now see, Ramesh was born. There is a person Ramesh. The person was born 4th October 1999. The person Ramesh was born 1999, 4th October. Dinesh was born 6 days before Ramesh. Dinesh was born October. So 6 days before. So 6 days before means definitely he was born 29th of September, previous month of same year 1999. So we already know that September 30 days and October 31 days. Keep remember. The difference between these two is exactly 6 days. The Independence Day of that year fell on Sunday. So we already know that August 15th is exactly Sunday. So same year 1999. Now which day was Dinesh was born? So which day was Dinesh was born? So Dinesh was born which day? So next month now. Simple guys. See, August 15th. August 15th is Sunday. Definitely, again, if you add plus 7, the value becomes Sunday. If you add plus 7, Sunday means August 29th. August 29th is also Sunday. August 9th is also Sun. 29th is also Sunday. And we already know that August having it 31 days. So 30, 31, and again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So definitely the 5 is also represented for Sunday. That is also one more important parameter. Why? Because every day which are repeated for every 7 days. Now see, if 5 is Sunday, definitely again if you add plus 7, plus 7, plus 7, 26th is also Sunday, guys. 26th is also Sunday. Now 27th is Monday, 28th is Tuesday, 29th is Tuesday and Wednesday. So answer here, Wednesday is the correct answer. Very good, Nana Harika. Just compare one to one day. So you need to understand only one important point. Each and every day which are repeated for every 7 days. Based on that comparison, you can solve the entire question. Now this is also question related for coding and decoding. This is completely option verification type of question. Just read the statement. See. A word is represented by only one set of numbers as given any one of the alternatives. The sets of the number given in the alternatives are represented by two classes. The alphabetical shows in the matrix of two matrices. The column row matrix 1 is numbered 0 to 4. This is the matrices 1 and this is the matrices 2. And matrices 1 is represented for 0 to 4 and matrices 2 represented for 5 to 9. Now a letter from the matrices which can be represented first by row and next by column. For example, if they take it as a K, K coded as 0, 1. And we can, again we have a K here, we can represent it for 1, 3. Again we have a K, we can represent it 2, 2. So in that way, they consider firstly they consider as a row number, next they consider as a column number. So that is the overall information. Now, based on that box, so what is the code? Maybe we can get as blend. So completely option verification. Just go through the blend. What is a blend here? Here B value may be 02. Maybe 02. There is a no chance. Again, you could take it as a one more B. 10. 10 is there. Next one took it as a B, one more B. Here 23. Here 23. We have in last option. Again, you took it as a B. Again, the value becomes 31. Again, we have an option. Again, you can pick a B. That is also 44. So all the options may be true. Let's go through that. L. Here L code be 03. Here there is a no 03. Go through the one more L. The one more L is represented 14. Yes, first option may be a true. We'll go to one more L. The value become 20. We have a one more option. Go through the one more L. One more L is represented for 32. We have a one more option. Go through the one more L. The option represented 41. Yes, all the options may be true. Second one. Next, you can pick it as A. So A first value becomes 00. Here 00. Yes, absolutely true. Go through the next A. We want 11. We want 11. There is a no 11. If you go through the one more A represented for 24. Yes, we have a 24. Go through the one more A. We have a option 33. We have a option 33. Go through the one more A that is represented for 42. Yes, still we don't have any elimination. Go through the next one. N. So here first N is represented for 55. Yes, we have a 55. Go through the next N. Represented for 68. Yes, we have a 68. Go through the one more N. That is 77. There is a no 77. Go through the one more N. The representation of 89. There is a no 89. Go through the one more N. That is a representation for 96. Yes. Now, based on that letter, you can eliminate the option C. You can eliminate the option C. Now you just identify the D. First number is 59. Yes, there is a no 59. Next, one more D. We want 66. Yes, we have a 66. Definitely, you can confirm D is the perfect option. But still, you just check it out for understanding purpose. So we want D now. So here the D value becomes 78. Here there is a no 78. Here D represented 85, no 85. Here D represented 97. Still there is a no particular number for first option and second option. Now you can choose your option is D. So for this type of question, remember guys, any alphabetical can be represented row number, then column number. That is the code value. Clear this question? Just those information they given, don't worry about that. If you are not given, you just consider any alphabetical, the code number value represented for row number and a column number. Yes, we have a arrangement here. Now see that study the following information and answer the questions given. So whatever the question, you just choose your question. If you completed the entire arrangement, you can get 5 marks, guys. Just read it carefully. What is the information they given? Information is most important, and how we have converted those information into the data. Now see the total 8 members sitting in the round square table. First make it as a square table here. Total how many persons are there? 8 persons. And 4 of them sit 4 corners, 4 of them sit middle of the 4 sides. 4 corners, 4 sides. 4 corners with a 4 sides number. The one who sits at 4 corners faces center. The persons who are sitting in the corner faces center. So take it as here by the center. The who are sitting in the middle, they are facing outside. So these persons are facing outside. Now you can confirm inside and outside facing. And right and left cases are most important. So you have completed first 3 lines. Now you need to finish remaining 3 lines. The first information. M who faces center and sits third to the left of V. Now M faces center. M faces center means M was sitting one of the corner. M sits one of the corner and M is third to the left of V. Third to the left of V. For example, what is the chances? Third left means between two persons. If I assume V here, definitely this is left and this is right. If I take it as a one more possibility, we have one more possibility. If I assume V here, definitely this is the right side representation, guys. This is the right side representation. But we want to see M who faces center and sits third to the left of V. We want left side means Now you can confirm the V position perfectly. We have two chances. Okay, see, if I assume V here, definitely this is a representation of right side, Nana. This is the left side. So first left, second left, third left, fourth left, fifth left. First right, second right, third right. But we want left side. No, that's why this is not a position for V. Now you can confirm this is V and this is M is exactly a third left, Nana. See, M who faces center and sits third to the left of V. U who faces the center is not a immediate neighbor of V. So we can't place U here, we can't place U here, but U must be in the corner. So you know you can confirm this is the position for U. So that is the position for U. It's not a immediate neighbor. Not a immediate neighbor means not these two corners. Definitely left with one corner, you can confirm U here. Now only one person between V and W. So only one person between V and W means you can get either W here or W here. We have a chances. So make it as a note point here. There is a one person between V and W. There is only one person between V and W. Still, we don't know that whether we can confirm with the W. Next one. P sits second to the right of N. P is second to the right of N. Take it as a one more note point. We want P is the second right of N. And N faces center. So N faces center means we have only two chances now. Now, if you confirm N here, for example, if you can confirm here, V one second right is P. This is already occupied with M. So definitely this is not a N. If I take it as a N here, we require here P. But here this is already occupied with a. That's why this is the N. So this is the N. Second right is represented for P. Now you can confirm P here. Next one. So completed. Erase it. Only one person between V and W. P is sits second to the right of N. N faces the center. Next. O is not a immediate neighbor of M. O is not a immediate neighbor of M means we can't place here O, here O. Now we left with only one position. Now you can confirm O here. Now there is a one person between V and W. Now you can confirm this is the W. And you left with a one person. See. So only one person you left. See. So the person MNOPQ. Sorry, UVWX. UVWX means you can confirm X here. It's very good, Nanabayba. So this is the final arrangement. Just go through the possibilities, guys. Possibilities are most important to represent any perfect diagram, guys. So based on that arrangement, just go through that. This is O, this is N, this is U, and this is V, and this is X, P, W, N. Then what are the answers? Now see the question. Here's the question number one. Which one does not belongs to the group out of five? NOUP, NUPM, NUPM represented corner peoples. O is the center people, guys. So O is the wrong answer. And which will come in the place of NOU. See, first of all, see NOU. Next one UXM. Next one MWP. Next one MWP. Now definitely PVN is the perfect answer, guys. PVN is the perfect answer. So PVN is the correct answer. Yes. Hemalata, very good, Nana. Next one. What is the position W with respect to U? With respect to O, both are sits in opposite. Otherwise, see, first right, second right, third right, fourth right, or first left, second left, third left, fourth left. Either fourth right or fourth left. Go through the option. It's not an answer, not an answer, not an answer. Absolutely. Fourth to the right is the perfect answer. Yes, Javin. Again is the correct answer. Fourth to the right. If you completed arrangement, you can get easily 5 marks, guys. So completely how we are making the diagram, how we are converted data into the table. So that is the most important. So most important to solving any arrangement or puzzle, making note points, guys. Making note is the most important. See, this is type of note points are most important. Why? Because again and again, every time if you read the either arrangement or puzzle, it takes a time. So only if you go through the entire information once. If it is a positive data, you can fit into the table. Otherwise, write in a proper way. You need to understand that way. So that is the most important one. Now this is for you guys. Homework question. Just go through the question, post your answer in the comment section. See 5, 15, 38. What is the number we can replace us in the question mark? 464, 2422. These are the numbers. Now, the person having a doubt in syllogism, I will tell you that just listen. See, some pens are pencils, Mama. Some pens are pencils. All pencils are erasers. All pencils are erasers. So this is the diagram, guys. See, some pens are pencils. All pencils are erasers. First question. Some pens are erasers. Can I conclude it? Some pens or erasers can conclude means definitely, guys. If you see the diagram, pen and eraser, we have a some interconnection. So some as a intersection for pen and eraser, definitely valid conclusion. Now, without seeing second conclusion, I can say that wrong. Why I'm saying wrong? If we already know that the statements are positive, so statements are positive, we never get any negative conclusion. Time waste. Clear? Like I see. Positive statements like I see, some comma all. Always we can represent it some comma all as a conclusion. Maybe. Clear? If you have a negative statement like a no. If any negative statement, it is always represented no, some not, all not. So negative gives negative, positive gives positive. Positive never gives negative. No. That's why based on that theory, just eliminated without seeing that conclusion. Third one. Some erasers are pencils. Definitely see. Some of the eraser can occupy with a pencil. Valid conclusion. So answer here, both 1 and 3 is are follows. Clear, Nana Priyam? Is there any doubts for today's session? Just go through the homework question, guys. Just go through the question, post your answer in the comment section. Yes, see you in the next session. Bye, guys. Good night.